Hi guys, good morning. I'm here in Anaheim. So I'm spending one day in Anaheim and I'm gonna try to see what is there to do in Anaheim outside of Disneyland. I'm checked in at the Hilton Anaheim here right next to the Anaheim Convention Center. And as you can see behind me, they're ready for Christmas. There's so many Christmas trees in the lobby. One thing that I noticed is this Mickey Mouse Christmas tree. Because, we're so close to Disneyland. It's literally across the street. Right behind me is the Anaheim Convention Center. And there's actually a convention going on at the moment. It's called Expo. Outside the convention center. I'm gonna try to ask what Expo is about.
Expo is based on the idols. I think it's mostly based on idols. Lots of cons have different themes. ALA, Anime Los Angeles last year, had a sports theme, and Anime Expo, it's just wholly based on anime. But I think this one's mostly based on idols and idol games and stuff like that.
Inside the Anaheim Convention Center, inside Expo, and we're gonna look around and see what's in here.
Hey, how's it going? It's Anthony from Aniplex of America. Thank you for having me on the show today. What we're doing here, we're at Expo, which is sponsored by Bushy Road, and we are doing a mini booth, and we're also demoing our new game, Fate Duels, which is an amazing miniatures game based on the Fate Grand Order mobile game.
That was a little bit of Expo, and so now I'm gonna check out a bunch of other places here in Anaheim. Anaheim has 4 historic districts, and I am now in the 5 Points Historic District, and it was named after the intersection at Lincoln, West, and Center Streets. Just a little bit of history about Anaheim. Anaheim takes its name from the Santa Ana River, and Anaheim in German means home. It really means home by the river. And its first settlers were Germans and Dutch. I'm at Ruby's Diner, and this used to be the historic 5 Points commercial building. Built in 1928, this building used to be a thriving commercial area used by the Anaheim colonists. This location is home to Ruby's Diner's first drive-in. I'm walking in the 5 Points Historic District of Anaheim and came across the site of San Pedro Gate, established in 1857. The original town site of Anaheim was actually surrounded by willow trees, just like these. This is the site of the gate that was opened to allow travel from San Pedro to Los Angeles. This is part of the 5 Points Historic District. This area that I'm in, it's called the Anaheim Colony Historic District, and it was founded in 1857. I'm actually now at the Founders Park, and it's in the western boundary of the Anaheim Colony Historic District. Unfortunately, it's under renovation and it's all closed off, as you can see behind me. This building right here, it's called the Mother Colony House, It's the oldest standing structure in Orange County, and it was built in 1857. This structure here is a Victorian Queen Anne house. It's 2 stories with a turret, and it's called the Woelke-Stoffel House, which was built in 1894. In the late 1800s, the pioneers of Anaheim, which were primarily German and Dutch, grew mission grapes in the first 20-acre lots that were considered as part of the Anaheim colony. And then later on, the grapes were replaced by other crops like oranges and chilies. I actually found an entrance to Founders Park from the side. So I'm actually in an area called Hoskins Historic District, and the homes here were built between 1941 and 1955. This is actually one of the featured homes. It's a red brick Tudor style house. This building here is the Anaheim City Hall. The city of Anaheim does have a really cool website. You can learn a lot about the history of Anaheim. Here's a sign that says CtrCity Anaheim, and it shows us the different points of interest within this area. We're actually on the north side of Anaheim. There's quite a few businesses here in the area where the City Hall is. These are actually apartments. This is called the Promenade Lofts. And that's the Muzeo right there in the corner, and that's the Carnegie Plaza. There are some dining areas which I'll check out because I'm really hungry at this point. I'm now trying to figure out where I'm gonna eat lunch. I actually ended up going to Okayama, Kobo, where there's a coffee place and a bakery which uses 100% Hokkaido flour. I ordered chicken katsu and sausage. They also carry stubborn soda. I'm actually here at the Carnegie Plaza outside Muzeo, and unfortunately they're closed until November 17th. But right behind me is a sculpture in memory of those residents who lived in Anaheim who served in the military. So I'm now here outside the Anaheim Brewery, and I heard there's quite a bit of history about this brewery as well. I'm outside Anaheim Brewery, and it dates back to 1870, and it was re-established just recently in 2010, but they don't offer any tours of the tasting room or the brewery itself. I'm outside Anaheim Brewery, and it's just really close to Anaheim Packing District. It's all part of one area that has been renovated and converted into a lot of restaurants. This is the Anaheim Packing House, which is the main attraction in the packing district of Anaheim. This is where they used to pack oranges in crates and boxes. It was pretty much built here because of its proximity to the train station, so it was easy to transport those crates of oranges and fruits to the trains. As you can see, that's the railroad right there. So behind this building are some more train tracks. This is the front part of the building. It's part of the National Register of Historic Places. They packed sun-kissed oranges. As you can see, this is an actual train. Hi guys, so I'm now inside the Anaheim Packing House. So it's basically a food hall with various kinds of restaurants serving different kinds of food.
I just went to PopBar right behind me. So basically, we have popsicles and you have different kinds of choices of nuts and chocolate drizzles, whether it's white chocolate or dark chocolate or milk chocolate. So I ordered the hazelnut ice cream, hazelnut PopBar with chocolate dip, as in a full dip with some nuts. Hi guys, I'm now here at the Regional Transportation Intermodal Center. This is basically the Anaheim station where the Amtrak train, the Metrolink train, the Orange County Transportation Authority, Anaheim Resort Transportation buses come, and the megabus buses also go here. So I was supposed to go inside the Christ Cathedral, but it's closed. They're renovating it all over, so couldn't get in. But it'll be nice to see how beautiful that church is inside. Well, next time. Over here in Anaheim GardenWalk, walking around. As you can see, the stores are closed. Hi guys, so I'm back at the hotel. There were 3 places that were under renovation. So the Founders Park, Muzeo, and the Christ Cathedral. But nevertheless, it was a fun day of trying to figure out what else is there to do in Anaheim outside of Disneyland.
If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button below. Share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe because I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching!